Hello viewers, welcome back to Healthy Samayal. Today let's prepare oil-free boiled fish just by steaming it in a pressure cooker. It is really very easy to make and delicious to eat. It is one of the perfect fish fry recipe with zero oil. In a pan, add 2 tablespoons of mustard seeds, 1/4 spoon of fenugreek seeds. Dry roast them until the mustard seed crackles and even its color changes to slightly brown. Once it is done, just transfer it into a mixer and grind it into a paste. Here is the cleaned fish pieces. In a bowl, add 1/2 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, salt to taste, chili powder as per your taste, pinch of turmeric powder, 2 tablespoons of dhania powder, 1 tablespoon of cumin powder, grinded mustard and fenugreek powder. I have added some more salt, half tablespoon of garam masala, 1 large sized lemon juice. Just make it into a thick paste. If needed, you can add some water. Once it is done, make sure that the masala don't become too watery. If masala is thick enough, then it coats well to each pieces. I have applied masala to all the pieces. Let it rest for 8 hours for better taste. Now let's steam this fish in cooker. Take a whistle. Just add few drops of oil and just apply it all over it. Make sure that vessel have small holes so that fish gets cooked properly. Just arrange these fish pieces onto the tray. In a pressure cooker, add little water. Place a small bowl. Just place the fish tray on it. And just pressure cooker it for 1 whistle in a high flame. We all know that fish cooks very fast. Let's check whether it's cooked perfectly or not. Yes, it looks perfectly cooked. Now just place a grill on the stove and just toss it on both the sides for 2 minutes. And our fish tandoori is ready. Similarly, I have tossed all the fish fry. It tastes really awesome. Try this wonderful recipe. Everyone likes it and even it is too healthy. It is one of the best diet recipe. If you want to lose weight, then you can even try this wonderful recipe. Thanks for your support. Hope you like this video. Keep watching Healthy Samayal. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell button. Thank you.